Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change language on Temu. So let's head over to the Temu app. And from here, just click on the U icon. Then click on the settings button. Then click on language. So the language options will depend on your country and region. So if we go back and click on country and region, if for example we change our country to Japan, then do the same steps as earlier, then click on language. The languages available in Japan region is now available and we can change it to our preferred language. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily change language on Temu. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!